Hello friends, nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today, we are going to stir-fry celery with chicken fillet, which is simple to make and suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes, and click to follow my channel because you will receive simple recipe videos I upload every day for free. If you are willing, please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support. YouTube, friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Celery, carrot, ginger, chicken breast meat. Peel off celery fiber with peeler. Sliced carrot. Sliced celery. Ginger. Stir-fry chopped ginger. Add chicken fillets. Add celery and carrot slices. Add water. One teaspoon chicken powder. fry until sauce is lesser. Plate celery into plate. You can also make this home-cooked dish for the new year. Just plate it and serve it. The word kin in celery is homophonic with the word kin in diligence, so celery is a symbol of hard work and wealth. Carrots are bright red in color and full of joy. Chinese people like to place a carrot in a conspicuous place at home during the new year. It symbolizes the new year. It is a good omen at the beginning, and life will be prosperous in the future. Good luck, happiness, and prosperity. China has had the custom of lion dance since ancient times. When the mighty and majestic lion is dancing, the most important step is picking greens. Picking greens means climbing to high places and picking carrots with leaves and red envelopes. During the CNY festival, the first meal is chicken soup, which means peace and peace. People who do hard work usually eat chicken feet. Young people eat chicken wings in the hope of spreading their wings and fly high in the future. And family members eat chicken bones. The traditional culture in eating chicken is very interesting. There are more CNY delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them out too. Also, I'll be sharing new CNY delicious recipe every day. Follow me now so you won't miss them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.